I wish someone had warned me before I started using Agentic AI. Not because it's bad, but because I expected it to work like magic. It doesn't. And if you go in with the wrong mindset, you'll waste time fast. Step 1. Why everyone is excited about Agentic AI. Agentic AI sounds amazing on paper. AI that can plan tasks, make decisions, and act on its own. No babysitting, no constant prompts. That's the dream. But the reality is a little different. Step 2. My first mistake. The first time I used it, I gave it a broad task and walked away. I thought, cool, it'll figure it out. Instead, it overthought everything. It looped. It took actions I didn't expect. That's when I realized something important. Agentic AI does exactly what you allow it to do. Nothing more, nothing less. Step 3. What Agentic AI actually needs. Agentic AI needs rules. Clear goals, clear limits, clear stop conditions. If you don't define those, the agent keeps going, sometimes in the wrong direction. It's not dumb, it's just literal. Step 4. Where Agentic AI works best. Once I stopped treating it like a replacement for thinking, it clicked. Agentic AI is great for research tasks, multi-step automation, repetitive decision flows, coding and system workflows. It's not great at judgment, creativity, or understanding context the way humans do. Step 5. The honest truth. Agentic AI isn't dangerous, it's just powerful. And powerful tools need guidance. If you treat it like a junior assistant and check its work, it can save you hours. If you treat it like magic and walk away, it'll cause problems. Final thoughts. So before using Agentic AI, slow down, start small, set rules, watch what it does. Do that, and it's one of the most useful AI tools you'll touch. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.